Hi, welcome to another video. I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional WordPress designer and developer. As a web developer, or if you have a website that is loading slowly, can be a headache for you. You may not able to troubleshoot the real reason of slow speed. It may be from your local network or the issue is from the hosting site. In this video, we will find out why your website is loading slow. Two ways you can find out why your website is loading slowly. First of all, you need to go to the command. Type cmd on search bar and open the command prompt. Simply write ping and put the website link. Our computer sent 4 packets to the website and the website reply back those packets, and you can see the speed. The speed is 265, which is little bit slow compared to the other website like Google. If we ping Google, it will load faster. You can see the google.com is replying back more faster than our website, that is 35 milliseconds. So this is the first way you can check the website speed. Now we will check this with advanced way with TraceRT. Internet is a connection of routers. Your computer is connected with your home router and your home router is connected with your ISP router, and the ISP router is connected to the other router that you want to check. So by doing TraceRT, we can check all the routers between your computer to the host. For doing that, just write TraceRT and put the website link. Now my computer will send 3 data packages to each routers and send it back to my computer. So this first one is our nearest router, which is our home router, and the second one is our ISP router, and third one also our country ISP router. You can simply check the routers by copying this and paste it to this website. What is my IP address? I will put the link and search this IP address. You can see the IP information. This is our ISP, which is National Wide Internet and Data Provider, which is our national ISP. The test route has been completed. We can see there is 18 total routers between our computer taslimul.com. So the first 5 or 6 routers are inside our country. That's why the speed are very high. You can see the 8th router, which is there is a jump on the speed, is 6 ms to 52 ms. The router may be outside of our country. That's why the speed jumped. And on the 11th router, the request time out. That means this router is not working properly. The 13th router is not working properly, and the 15th router is also not working properly. So there have a defect on 3 routers. And you can see the from 14th router the speed has been increased. It may be the intercontinental routers. So I am in Asia and our host is on America. The distance between the routers is very high. That's why the time lags become increased. So this is how you can trace your host. So the final speed is 256 millisecond. So now let's test out the Shopify.com, which is the most fastest website hosting provider. The test route between our computer to the Shopify has been completed. You can see there is a less routers between our computer to the Shopify host, only 8 routers. So less router is more speed. The first few routers have the maximum speed, which is our local routers, and you can see a jump on the 7th router, which may be outside of our country, and the final router is the 8th router is only 5 ms, and this is the final speed. So in the conclusion, we can say that the Shopify host is more faster than Namecheap. And my website taslimul.com was on Namecheap, and this is on Shopify. As Shopify is premium, they are giving premium service, and their speed is higher than other hosting providers. So this is how you can trace out your websites, and you can check where the issues, which router have the issues, and you can find individual routers by searching those IPs on this website, what is my IP address.com. Now if you want to create an e-commerce store on Shopify just for $1, check the video on the left or check the description link. And if you want to host a website on your own computer, check the video on the right. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.